Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Outlast Trials game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to check is to system requirements. So for that, you have to search for the game on Steam and after that go below. From here you will get the required specs. So make sure you have all the required specs and after that try to play the game and check whether it's launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA, AMD or Intel users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp% and after the folder opens, here you have to select all and simply click on delete option. Now after deleting the temp files, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security, then click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, launch Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that try to play the game. But if the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to clear download cache. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads and then go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. And you need to log. This will restart your Steam and you need to log into your Steam account once again. So for that, you have to confirm it and once you log into the Steam account and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You have to simply select it, right click on it, click on end task and this will completely close the app that is running in the background from the system. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and it will search for any update if available. And after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to play the game. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can find enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enabling game overlay option from. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Once the file is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, you have to close this, restart your PC once, and after that again log into the game and check. If not, next is to install DirectX. So for that I have given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the download option and this will download DirectX on your system. After that, open and install it, and after installing it, again restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Outlast Trials game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and again reinstall the Outlast Trials game and click on the play button to check if it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.